So if you're planning a trip to New Flower, or I should say Addis Ababa, the Ethiopian capital, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we cover everything you need to know before applying for visa and the step-by-step application process. So starting with, here are a couple of things you should know before you begin with anything. First off, Ethiopia provides e-visa to every nationality. Second, a traveler gets single entry visa with 90 days validity. Third, you will get visa in less than a week. Fourth, having a tentative itinerary ready before starting application is ideal. And lastly, you will require soft copies of these two things. Simple enough? Hope you're taking notes. If not, refer the video description. Now, moving on to the application process. There are two ways to submit your visa application. You can do it through Atlys or you can do it on your own. Let's start with the Atlys way. The link to apply to Ethiopia e-visa through Atlys is in the video description below. When you click on that, you will land on this page. On the left side, you will find all the important information like the visa type, application process, FAQs and more. Read through the same and whenever you're ready, start your application. The platform will then ask your departure date, and once you confirm the same, your application will begin. From there, all you need to do is sit straight when we click your picture, steadily hold front page of your passport and provide some details about yourself and your travel plan. Once you've done the same and paid the government fees, you will be set. You can easily track your application by downloading our app. The app will reflect your visa on the promised date and time. So, was it easy? Let's show you how the same will look like when you do this on your own. Head to this website. Now, when you click on apply, you will land here. Select visa type and validity, which would be tourist and 30 days in our case. Next, share your arrival information and stay details. That's why we asked you earlier to keep a tentative itinerary ready. Once you complete that, quickly share your personal information like name, address, contact details, and in the end, your passport details. Complete the same and you will be taken to the review page. Double check everything now because you won't get the option to make corrections later. If all looks good, click on next and upload these documents. Uploaded, press submit and you will be taken to the payment portal. The fee is $62 as you can see. So go ahead, make the payment and the process will be completed. Now the embassy will take a week or two to give a decision. If approved, you will receive your e-visa over email. It will look like this. And we are through with the visa process. If you still have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. That's all from us. We hope that you receive your visa soon. This was everything you need to know about the tourist visa application process of Ethiopia. We will be back soon with another episode of How to Visa with Atlys. Till then, explore more guides as well as our vlogs to draw inspiration for your future adventures. Travel safe, see you soon.